500 subscribers. I still can't believe it. Thank you again so much for being a part of my model railroad journey. In today's video, I will reintroduce the giveaway prizes and let everyone know how you can enter the giveaway. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. For my 500 subscriber giveaway, I will hold two drawings, one for an N scale prize and one for an HO scale prize. Both giveaways are Delaware and Hudson railway boxcars with the I Heart New York logo on the side. The N scale version is a 50-foot single-door standard boxcar with road number 50052. It has Rapido couplers with metal wheels and was manufactured by Concor. The HO scale version is also a 50-foot single-door standard boxcar, and its road number is 50004. It comes with knuckle couplers, metal axles with plastic wheels, and a working side door. This is an Athearn Blue Box kit that has been assembled. I will hold the drawing for the contest live on T-Trak Sunday, September 13th at 8 p.m. This will be my second live stream and my first T-Trak Sunday. The winners of the giveaway drawing will need to email me within 1 week of the drawing and provide their name and shipping address. The giveaway is for all current subscribers. If you do not have your subscriptions public, I reserve the right to ask for subscription verification. And now for the part that everyone's been waiting for, how to enter the contest. Please follow the steps in order. I will give you a moment to get a pencil and paper to write down the steps. Step 1. Wake up, get off on the right side of the bed, and start your fabulous day. Step 2. Make yourself a cup of your favorite drink. For many of you, I'm assuming it'll be coffee, but I'm more of a hot chocolate man myself. Although, an iced tea also sounds good this time of year. Step 3. Go outside and take a walk around the block. Enjoy the beautiful weather. If the sun is out, feel its warmth. If it's dark, just enjoy the moment. Step 4. Log into YouTube on your favorite device and go to the YouTube homepage. Step 5. Look through your YouTube recommended videos. Find a new model railroad channel that you are not currently subscribed to, especially if it's a smaller channel, and then watch their video. Subscribe to their channel and comment on their video how you found their channel. If you need additional channel recommendations, check out one of Wilmer's 100 not bad episodes on the Indian Head Valley Railroad channel and support one of his recommended channels. Step 6. Tell someone about the new to you channel that you just subscribed to. Word of mouth is the best way to support new channels. Step 7. Post a comment to this video, 500 subscriber giveaway entry video, stating which scale giveaway you would like to be entered into, either N scale or HO scale, as well as let me know how you originally found my channel. And then the last and final step, step 8, and this is an important step. Have a really wonderful remainder of your day. While I will have no way of knowing if you actually followed all of these steps, this giveaway will be based on the honor system. Please have fun with the 8 steps. They should not take you very long, and I believe they'll be fun. In summary, I will be giving away both an N scale and HO scale prize. The drawing will be on T-Trak Sunday, September 13th at 8 p.m. Refer to the 8 steps mentioned in this video for directions on how to enter. Have a really fabulous day. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day. This giveaway follows YouTube's contest policies and guidelines.